To get started, I like to look at the map split view, and I can use that just to get a rough sense of what the site looks like. So let's close that now. If I'm using Google or Bing imagery, I just click on the sides to expand my field of view. However, you also have access to HD imagery in many cases, and in here I can once again expand my field of view. And now we have a nice crisp near map image. Alright, to get started, let's click on Smart Roof, and I'll click on Flat. And I am going to click on the corners of this building. Alright, so that's one building over there. And then I will draw another building. And one of the neat new tools that we've developed is the ability to auto pan. Okay, that's great. Then I will add in this building over here. All right, fantastic. Next, I want to detect all of the obstructions on this roof. So to get started, I'll click on Add Obstruction and select Rectangle. Select this obstruction over here. I can edit my settings, like what the height of the obstruction should be. And I'll just click Detect Similar Obstructions. And Aurora will run through and detect all the obstructions that are of the same type as that one that I just highlighted. And you can do that for all the obstruction types on this site. So for example, I am going to do it for this one over here, and I am going to do it for all of these circular obstructions. Another major benefit of this platform is LiDAR. LiDAR is essentially when some sort of aerial vehicle has flown over this location, it's pinged the site, it's measured how long it takes for that laser beam to be returned back to the receptor on the plane, and generates a point cloud. Aurora takes this point cloud and converts it into a mesh. From there, I will select Fit Buildings to LiDAR, and now Aurora will raise the height of all of these buildings to match up with the LiDAR data that you see in front of you. You can see that over here on the left side, it looks like based off of the LiDAR data, there's some sort of parapet wall over here. So why don't I go ahead and draw that in? All right, so we have shown you a number of really powerful tools on site design. I'm going to add two more. One is the ability to add trees. I can just click on Draw Tree and do that very quickly and easily. And another is the ability to run irradiance maps. So if I just click over here on irradiance, that is going to simulate the sun's path for every daylight hour of the year, and it's going to take into account things such as trees, pipe vents, obstructions in the roof, the shading of one building on another. And over in the bottom right, you can see that we have some data. And as I move to different locations, you can see how it changes for different months of the year.